Bakit nag-on? Did it work? Did it work? Oh my god. Pinlog in ko na siya. Huh? Eh, charging 4%. Should I say I've been successful at replacing my own battery? Oh my god, I can't wait. 64%. Hintayin ko mag 100%. Okay. 100%. Okay. Should we turn it on? Pressing. Ooh. What the f***? Tanggalin ko na yung saksak. Oh my god. There you go. Oh, I did not check if I should have backed up my stuff. Can you see my face? The face of terror. Medyo tanga moment. I did not back up my stuff. So this is taking so long. I don't know what's gonna happen. It's been a minute since I... Okay. Oh, fudge. Okay. Chill. May mga nawalang apps. Sometimes that happens to my phone. Like, this is not the first time. Oh yeah, but they're still here. Nawala lang yung mga shortcuts on my home screen. Christ. But yes, Facebook is still here. So I just put it there. Yeah. Okay, I think it's safe to say that my phone is working. And hindi na nakabitin yung puso ko for now. Wi-Fi. It's my signal, it's not the battery. Okay, so far everything is working. Do not be afraid, my child, I tell myself. And yeah, this has been successful. So sorry about me, my face, my hair, everything. I'm PMSing. So I'm stuck at home and I am so glad I did this because now the phone is flat. Wala nang problema. Kasi ang nangyari dito before, talagang nakaangat siya. Talagang nakaangat siya before and kitang-kita niyo yung mga laman loob ng phone. Now it's flat again. It's flat again. Anyway, bye. Thanks so much for watching.